Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Walter. We continue with the law of logarithms, and today we are going to see the second law, which is power rule. Logarithm law, these are a powerful set of rules that help to simplify and solve logarithmic expression. By definition, log base b of x equal to y. This means that x is equal to b or y. Let us directly go to second law, power rule. The power rule states that log base b of x raised to any, this is equal to any multiplied by log base b of x. Let us see how it applies to these examples. 1. They have given to us log base 3 of 9 square. According to power rule, if we are given log base b of x raised to any, this is equal to, we are going to bring any in front of log, that is going to be any log base b of x. Log base 3, 9 square, I'm going to drop the power in front of log, that is going to be 2 log base 3 of 9, but again I can put 9 into power form, that is going to be 2 log base 3, 9 is the same as 3 square. Again I'm going to drop 2 in front of log, so I'm going to multiply, that is going to be 2 multiplied by 2 log base 3 of 3, but log base 3 of 3, this is equal to 1. Now this is going to be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is going to give us 4. So log base 3 of 9 raised to 2, this is equal to 4. Let us do question number 2. They have given to us log base 4 of 64 raised by power 5. Let us simplify it. We can bring this power in front of the log according to the power rule. So this is going to be 5 log base 4 of 64. But still, I can put 64 into power form. That is going to be 5 log base 4 of 64 is the same as 4 power 3. Again, I can bring 3 in front of log, and I'm going to multiply by 5. That is going to be 5 multiplied by 3 log base 4 of 4. But log base 4 of 4, this is equal to 1. Now this is going to be 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1, which is going to give us 15. Let me leave you with the question. Find the value of log base 2, 8 raised by 3. You can give your answer in the comment section. I will be there to answer all the comments that you send me. I hope you understand how to use power rule to logarithmic expression. For more questions about logarithm, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.